Guys, it's episode 11, I think. It's going to be a very, very short one. It's currently about 7 PM or something. 20 past 7, okay. So basically I've been in here since late morning working on Zippy, doing the brakes, sorting them out, and it's still not quite right, but I've given up with it today. In that box is a wiring loom for a friend's car, which we'll hopefully be doing in a couple of days. So if she's alright with that, we will hopefully record that for you guys as well. So just put a new front wiring loom in it. So I've been refurbing that because it's a used one. So yeah, today hopefully I'm just going to do a few little bits and bobs before I go home on Huey. So first thing I might do is roll it over and try and unbolt these hoops from the floor, get them out the way, and then we might just get this lip off the front panel if I can be bothered as well. Just have to see really. So it's 7 o'clock and it's New Year's Eve, so I'm probably only going to maybe spend an hour on it today, if that. So yeah, let's see what we can get done. Okay, we got the hoops off the floor. So they just what the seat hooks onto to stop it tipping forward, and then you pull the lever and you can tip them forward. So yeah, those are out. Came out easier than I was expecting actually. All the underseal on the threads helped stop them rusting, so they're quite good. So I'll put them up in the box over there. So yeah, we'll have a little crack at getting the rest of this wing off the front panel, because I do think we can save this. I don't know if I showed you it or not. Before there was a big dent in the front panel, and I've managed to sort of beat it back out. It looks pretty good now. It's not completely finished. I haven't need to spend a bit more time on it, but it's not bad. I don't know if I even told you about that already or not. I can't remember. It's hard to remember what I haven't said. So yeah, I think we'll just try and get this off the lip and call it a day for today, because I'm getting a bit tired now. So let's have a crack at that, and then yeah, we'll be off. Oh, and for everyone saying you need to put something over that car, yeah, I know I've ordered a tarp. It'll be here soon to go over that, stop me grinding sparks going on it. I think he's going to be repainting it anyway, because it's got rust in a few places. Yeah, so I think he's painting anyway, but at least it'll protect the glass if nothing else. So yeah, he can shush about that now. Right, let's carry on with this. Okay, so a fair bit of time later, we've got some scraps on the floor, and we have this lip. I won't say cleaned up, it's certainly not clean, but it's we've got the overlap of the wing sort of taken away. Yeah, this should clean up alright. I sort of nicked it a little bit there, which easily fixable. That there looks like it's almost split or something, I can't quite tell. But yeah, I think it's probably okay. So there's just no rot on it, so definitely think I'm going to keep it, but just need a little bit of work and carefully clean that up without damaging the outside edge. Obviously there's like layers of filler and stuff around the front, but yeah, no rot in the lip, so that's nice. So I think we're going to... God, I nearly shredded my overalls on it. I think we're going to finish it with here now. It's... what time are we on? 8:10. Yeah, I think it's time to go home. I've not had any tea. getting hungry, getting tired. So yeah, sorry it's probably been a bit of a short one, but wanted to just get a little bit done, and you guys said you want just to see whatever I do, whenever I do it, sort of thing. So a short one it will be. So I'll speak to you next time, guys. Bye for now.